Large language models write one token at a time, and each token needs a full pass through billions of weights. That makes generation slow. Speculative decoding fixes this by guessing several tokens ahead and checking them in one shot, but it usually needs a second draft model. Prompt lookup decoding gets the same speedup with no draft model at all. In this video, the problem, the idea, how it works, the architecture, how it compares, the numbers, and when to use it. Start with the pain. Generation is autoregressive. The model produces token 1, feeds it back in, produces token 2, and so on. Every single token costs one full forward pass through the whole model. The hardware could do much more work in parallel, but it sits waiting on the strict one-at-a-time chain. For long outputs, that sequential bottleneck is the main reason decoding feels slow. Speculative decoding is the classic fix. A small, fast draft model guesses the next several tokens, and the big model verifies all of them in a single parallel pass, keeping the ones that match. It is 2 to 4 times faster with identical output. The catch: you now have to find, host, and keep a compatible draft model in sync with the target. That is real extra work and extra memory. Here is the clever idea behind prompt lookup decoding. For many tasks, the answer already contains chunks of the input. A summary reuses phrases from the article. A code edit repeats most of the file. Retrieval answers quote the retrieved passage. So instead of a draft model, just copy candidate tokens straight from the prompt. The text you already have becomes your free draft model. Let's watch the loop. Take the tokens generated so far and grab the last few as a search pattern. Look for that same short n-gram earlier in the prompt. If it matches, copy the next several tokens after that match as your candidate guess. The big model verifies the whole guess in one parallel pass and accepts every token that is correct. Then repeat from the new position. The architecture is beautifully small. The prompt and context feed a simple n-gram matcher, essentially fast string matching, no neural network. On a hit, it emits a short block of candidate tokens. The target model runs one forward pass over all of them at once and accepts the longest correct prefix. Two knobs tune it, the n-gram match size and how many tokens to propose per step. How does it compare to draft model speculative decoding? Same guarantee. The output is identical to normal greedy or sampled decoding. But there is no draft model to train, download, or keep in sync, and it adds essentially zero extra memory. The trade-off is that lookup only helps when the output actually echoes the input. When it does, it is often just as fast and far simpler. Now the numbers. On input-grounded tasks like summarization and context question answering, prompt lookup decoding delivers a consistent speedup of around 2.4 times, on average, and up to 3 to 4 times, on heavily overlapping text. Because it only ever verifies the base model's own tokens, the output is bit for bit identical. You get the speed for free, with no quality cost. And the cost story is the real selling point. There is nothing to train and nothing to fine-tune, it is completely tuning-free. There are 0 extra parameters and no second model taking up GPU memory. It is a few lines of code that work with almost any model out of the box. That is why it ships built into LLM, and Hugging Face transformers as a one-line option. There is also a smarter successor. PLD Plus, from a 2024 paper, does not stop at copying the prompt. It reuses the hidden states and attention the model already computed to pick better candidate tokens, and look-ahead decoding takes a related route by generating and verifying n-grams on the fly. All of them share one theme: draft candidates cheaply, then verify in parallel. Where does it shine? Any input-grounded task where the output reuses the input. Summarization, where the summary borrows the article's phrasing. Retrieval-augmented generation, where the answer quotes the context. Code and document editing, where most of the file is unchanged. Multi-turn chat over a long document. Anywhere output overlaps input, lookup pays off. In code it is almost trivial. In Hugging Face transformers you just pass prompt lookup num tokens equals 10 to generate, and you are done. In LLM you set the speculative method to n-gram and choose how many tokens to propose. No draft checkpoint, No training run, no extra service. One argument turns a slow, input-heavy workload into a much faster one. So when should you reach for it, and when not? Reach for it on summarization, retrieval, and editing, where output clearly echoes the input, and when you want to speed up with zero setup. Think twice for open-ended, creative generation, where the output shares little with the prompt, there the n-gram matches rarely hit, so you gain little. For those, a trained draft model or eagle-style method wins. Quick recap. Decoding is slow because it is one token at a time. Speculative decoding guesses ahead and verifies in parallel, but usually needs a draft model. Prompt lookup decoding drops the draft model and copies candidate tokens straight from the prompt, giving 2 to 4 times speedup on input-grounded tasks with identical output and near zero cost. It is one line in LLM and transformers. That is prompt lookup decoding, the simplest speculative decoding there is, because your prompt is the draft model. Did this make prompt lookup decoding click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.